Badwam so ne braso se ye na online portal ne so nsem de obon krata no na poso kwasinsia so ye krado kakra ye bomu ema wo na ene no ohwe me mafade no de ya na chese ayetuntum ene kokko eye niema mienu na me makwasi akwa aba na sa niema mienu no memfa entudwa kwasi kwa aba na nso da foforo rade ayi
na otwen so we save na say first week of February no kwa no kakra
but next week mu na Valentine's Day no adofo nyina ada no
sure
next week mu ne wo
ti yenchodo
yes
and menim de entia amna baba ya se vas de ndu a chinchina so to ade chi obi ansa no se
nipa na edo wana se wodo no
over the years se na nipa no wasrede afa I think nyina should be taken into consideration.
Nti enya February nkwa na yese wo se
chocolate bi a meta ma ne teddy bear di bi na be kire
se medo
beta akra metimi ato
na ma rapid ya brew
e de abro nti the focus near odo na nipa no
all these wow
and what kind of odo and I want so replicate e de man nipa ne afofra mo so kire odo e de ama
necessary
eno ne ade o say you focus on na yenyai the materialistic aspect of us then
na say why bibia ma no wa support no wa rally behind him or her but vast day ni do ye no one wrap flower one fa body bouquet one fa chocolate one fa teddy bear I'm running the na say won no
enye no that's not the purpose of vast day
enti the only home man okra no office na nipa no surprising the chocolate I na nipa ne do no because one bring the chocolate the funny thing is chocolate you crash ye ni mudi o Mimi tue uba esi me dining table so me fa bi kra nche benum
but omo kom ji teddy bear afibia na mente ase
no wo de yesu mi ana se umpa no
na me mpa no 5 years wo ji teddy bear wo de yede
pillows nkwa ye nso me de teddy bear 5 for ka o me de ma me na me da
every year bi anso petty wo counts me pekese pa ni red one wo de yede
kakraka pa
wo de yede
me mom de teddy bear de here but
for 5 years ni ada bia wo ji teddy wo nyi mattress ba akokra
na me say mimi say obaba me teddy bear no de o de me sero nkafa to mo bre me why mo nya yi a 5 kg do a because e ko wo fie
the purpose ni say ye ma odo no eni enimu kan
na ye nya ni de bia
say no kro mu ye say adwa nipa ho aye to the sense nipa also trust in bia so that is a do that and that's the reflection or say yes here what then ye adwe enua ho bonesa why uno bi na wo adwuma papa mi ebi me papa mi ebi ko se tun na kakraba na se wode ebi eso pese chinchina eyi akosinsia di ye nyi madi makosi twumfu makatwa anka ho da pastor pese me kotena fi
ba madwuma de be mo amoaye but ye mfa makatwa ma
ba so se me wo yire wo ma
onfa ho
ye o mo bedidi nti se wo hwa me apam ye free adwuma emu ye na me yire ma bedi
wo se wo hwa me apam ono kra na ekwa ka se ye nse da ohun so mfa so di enyi wo free ho because okwa adwuma ni
time wa o see reflect ni o say papa ben ye onku ni pa boni adoso ye tim dodo ono no adam for kra to enum nsa enum su a untimi sori kra free
wo sori akoyi
ko be sori pe na the next moment no your funeral
say ono na hofuo pia cocktail nom kwara ye hu
so
ensa ya frafra say ya frafra ye de brɛ na de ebetu anu wani mu kra do no mu na ayi
ya ati you see a chance asoman na enyina reflect say afede baby abedu ya tie ho dodo
obi on say kwasi obi e pere bibi and the funny thing is sometimes with me transit say na me de na me wo what have I achieved e de na wo me ho an nti wo so obi ani bre me but the funny thing is obi e pere bibi na unfortunately e bia na ade kro na nipa na pere na wo nsem ne wo but ade so nyame amfa ma wo de uchu muta ye mfa ma wo fi adwuma ye news so ba newsroom a ye nipa be 8 a ye kan news obi ane said what kind of news so even in that space there is competition but eno no nkyere se bi ye betimi age said ye akwasinsia eye ne papers no ama o man hene ene ntubi so nye because nyankopon awo bi adoma chede ma ne die so you need to know that but obi mfa ho ne dia ne say ye mpam ano che waba na news na no che waba ka no ya wada ahoma che ne ye nkame de ho that's it
ayo
so ma menkyere mo de nti ene afade no aye tuntum ene kokko no ye maame ya mabuzia
yeah
yes obone ho moden pa o my Ghana say yenka manyon sem yenyina mo mining pager. In fact, untumi nyi Ghana history emfi ho ensi ho no ma be yina free mo. Wato ananom wonsie do. Nti na watch the die no. And then eja ye de kakra update ni ye de ma. But me aso me fie, me na nani mpon. Me ma ka say me kwa abire ni mapa. Nti wudu bonwira me fie abrewa ye na de ni kire fie ebusam se ofiri fie be ka se me firi ma me bobo ose efie. Mam bobo ose da fom. Nti enne abusua nyina ahia wo ma wo achichi ni benchi nyina bedru bonwira me nko ana aka me. Nti me firi ha no mo ana me nso me ko. Na yakopɛ me nana ni mpo ma me bobo se kra bre fe bonwire secondary school ne kwan so hono mo ana ye be ye yi no nti be ma abusua ne ye nyina wo fafo nanafo nyina no ye be ma ye ho yakɔ ene hyeden wagye abusua ne si wo wa ye na famu de in fact wonyini yankopɔ na se wonyini buru eta na se nyame ye kyirawo so wa ye na famu
me Adom kra timi do 65
sister kura no wo se ye hyefufu nti mi se me kwasi ada se efufu no a na eja ye di begina mu nti be ma abusua nyina yakɔ na yama ye ho hyeden ye hwe online portal na adomonline.com well also unbridled free market has taken a toll on local manufacturing. Let's say AGI president and Eka say
sadly ya come asem na I don't know dear because see there's also a competition between protecting local factories against AFCFTA.
Yes.
The Africa Free Continental
Trade Area. No?
Yes. I think I'll see a shed that yet special BB edema ye manufacturers for your mind.
Yes.
Because competition, to be honest, AGI presence when you're here. If we are movie. And they say we are now could do say I don't even need to set up an office in your country and send my customers. Now by virtue of digitalization, by virtue of say creating a certain app amount for subscribe to the deal. I'm for order a free man.
Yes.
So I think government and Kasano me and check quite bit me for so protect your manufacturers.
Yes.
Because there be an eka say Busia America Nigeria a dreadful omukoji wa Nigeria de bedu jan enye sa interest ni bi etwe Ghana so dear na ye dear ma ye local manufacturers maybe we can start it omo ye big ones no the Casapreco ne others ne say money betimi am head on competition so if US is doing a 3%, government of Ghana is willing to do a 3% for the bigger industries. Now a boosty others so much me abana. Anya sa de adwa.
Because tax evasion anyway by yenka ho asem anya ye. Yen slash bi mu na local manufacturers. Yenka ho asem akosi say
because
people are making money out of it.
Anya sa de.
Why money can actually buy your happiness? Sika de Bible no kura consider sika ya de nyina. And so a body of former sportsmen is start to be flown from India and also Wahana. My memory is fine. Biden hits back at special counsel. Mankesi Meda court adjourns case set to institute panel. Where in Sema who will be adomonline.com.
Daily graphic and so any. We won't engage government on electricity VAT. Organized labor. Community watch. A heterogeneous community. Public scrutinized Bawumia's vision comes to the picture of Vice President and flag bearer of the new Patriotic Party, Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia. Daily graphic and the Ghanaian Times and so in disclose funding sources. Ghana Anti-Corruption Coalition demands as it pushes political parties to promote campaign finance transparency, protect integrity of electoral process. Asante he receives first batch looted regalia from University of California. National Road Safety Authority begins commercial road transport e-registration next month to improve safety. I will encourage Ghanaians to have mindset of possibilities. Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia, the Ghanaian Times. Daily Guide. Gutta president hails port taxes reform. Former youth sports minister dies in India. Bawumia is man of destiny. John Ajekunkufuor. Kaswa Meda. Suspect demands DNA test. Menshia holds 150th Sagrenti War Deba. Daily Guide. The Daily Statesman. Bawumia's vision good for business. Gutta boss happy about reforming port taxes. Bank of Ghana acted responsibly to save economy. Ghana launches non-resident visitors health insurance. The Daily Statesman. The new finder and so any Bank of Ghana acted decisively to save economy, Dr. Baumia. As Santiman gathered at Menchia to commemorate Sagrenti War. Baumia's 70-point agenda. The new finder and Najwa.
Nessa the one quarter na poso your online portal so semono ye di senior da ye hu na efiada kai se agwekansie beba na sister Sandy be a guy e crowd dey ho se pebebrew na afi asemono se bedika nti asem di ka no ye de beba na nko matwetwe bi wa matena se na ma ye afi ho mama later in the day no empense mu be koso na afi so no
fonka game empense mu
bede
fonka game
me hu so bempa ene Kofi Adom se na eba enti na mu be de enti abusia bedwam so ni ka ye ho akopem se meet aduonu no ebeba apa no nkro ho nko ba bia
na yensam boy yensam ema yawofo your parents abone buy na yensam boy yensam ema Adom TV afei ne twato okra yembo yensam ema Nyankopon ye frame pa kwesi akom me na me channel manager Emma Adom TV. And I mean, you know, a friend Kobe Eshan. Ono ye coordinator Emma Adom TV. Many are penny out say and cheha. Muna TV so sa. A friend Nana Nkrumah, and no ye music director. Since I shall see instrument. Ye wo in D4 and ye kukuni for her, ye wo Ampedu Welbeck. No and ye head of production our share omo animu be adwuma ni na eso yesan so wo McBride ajawu ono ena ye one of the producers ono mu ebe ye adwuma ena ye wo Sami Okuto bra tenten na ne fu abakakra no ono ena ye mu producer ono mu ebe ye adwuma ono na na efrefre mu ebe ma mu date ni time so ono amma mu date ni time na McBride e wa ha obeye yesan so wo ye enimdi 4 titirifo bi wa ha ye wo Leslie